Hello everyone, my name is Nderitu Bachia from Nairobi, Kenya. I am currently at Yashoda Hospital, about to go back to Kenya. I have been here for 6 months receiving treatment for soft tissue sarcoma on my right thigh. Started as a swelling back in my country, and I thought it was a football injury, just to later find out that it was a malignant growth. And having been treated by Dr. Kiari in Nairobi, she referred me to Dr. Sachin at Yashoda Hospital, Somaji Guda, and I have been receiving treatment, and right now it's solved and healed. I would like to thank Dr. Sachin and the team, Dr. Meena Reddy, Dr. Goda Srihari, Dr. Kiran, the radiologist. I would also like to special thanks to Dr. Sanjeev Smith, the plastic surgeon, and Dr. Upendo, Dr. Sanjeev's assistant, and the overall staff. The coordinator Ashok was very supportive and very helpful. Kathik was also very okay, and I would also like to thank the overall Yashoda staff for the experience, and the services are good, and yes, may God bless you all. Thank you.